Good morning, dear students in grade 11 in Mujtama Private School. Here we are again, resuming Module 6, Lesson 2, Reading Part 2. Let's start with our school vision. To prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology. The value. Dear students, remember that innovation, which means creativity, is the value of the month, while importance of science and education is the value of the week. And you must link between the science and education with the success. Starter. What the word self-awareness mean? Self-awareness is how an individual consciously knows and understands her or his own character, feelings, motives, and desires. Objective 1. To scan the text to predict answer a set of questions and predict their type of personality. Exercise C, page number 82, by inquiry and research. Think to answer the questions. Text A. Why don't the keeper's light change? Text B. Why is planning things difficult from free spirits? Text C. What are the main qualities the scholars show? Text D. What are the main personality traits of the dreamers? Scan the texts again and answer the questions. Now exercise C. Do the quiz and see which personality type you are. Is the same as the one you chose in the previous activity? Which of the characteristics described in the category have you got? You can pause the video and do the quiz. For me, question 1. I like to be in control of myself and I don't like unpredictable situations. I agree or disagree. I agree. A. Question 2. I tend to rely on my feelings more than my thoughts. My answer is C. Question 3. I am more interested in philosophical discussions than practical matters. My answer is B. I prefer to use reason to solve a personal problem rather than emotion. My answer is C. Question 5. I hardly ever focus on the future, but prefer to deal with the present. My answer is B. 6. I think that logical decision is better, even if it hurts somebody's feelings. My answer is A. I believe that rules are meant to be followed. In my opinion and for my character, A. Question 8, and the last question. If somebody criticizes me, it affects me emotionally. My answer is C. So I'm going to collect my answers point. After you have done the quiz, count how many answers you have from each category or personality type, A, B, or C, or D, to see which category you belong to. If you have the same number of answers from two categories, this might be because you have certain characteristics from both categories. Let's move to Objective 2 to scan the text to choose the right answer for a set of questions. Student book, page number 83, exercise D. Using creative and critical thinking. When personality type A, B, C, or D, do you think each of people from 1 to 8 belong in 1. A person who is considered a fascinating speaker. Exactly, yes, D. 2. A person who never wants others to see him or her crying. Excellent, personality C. 3. A person who wouldn't enjoy a conversation about abstract concepts. Exactly, B. A person who is very reliable and hardly ever disappoints others. Exactly, yes, A. A person who cannot deal with negative comments from others easily. Yes, good. Great. A as well. A person who would like to do extreme sports. B. Excellent. A person you can depend on, tell the truth. The answer is C. And finally, meet the last question, a person who shows deep concern for other people's feelings. Yeah, exactly, it's D. Great, well done. Let's move to the objective number 3. Identify new vocabulary by matching the highlighted words with their definitions. Exercise A. Look at the highlighted words in the text and match them with their meanings. Then check your answers using a dictionary. 1. Able to hold somebody's attention completely. Mesmerizing. Excellent. Easily upset by what other people say about you. Sensitive. Showing kindness to others. Great. Compassionate. For reliable and able to be trusted. Trustworthy. Willing to do things without planning them. Yes, that's it. Spontaneous. Great. To close our lesson today, use any three words you have learned to form sentences. Homework. Exercise B, page number 71, workbook. It's time to say goodbye to you and thank you for your listening. See you next lesson, inshallah.